It's a beautiful day in the neighborhood. A beautiful day in the neighborhood. Who remembers that? If you guys know where that's from, comment down below and give you guys a like. You guys are like, dang, I gotta break my head, figure what 1980s show that's from for a like. Yep, that's right. But I'm pretty sure some of you know where that's from. As a matter of fact, I don't even know where it's from. Like, I know where it's from, I just don't think I know the proper name of the show. But anyways, welcome everybody. Hold on. Those doors are noisy. But we are back for another Canam vlog. And yup, we only got 2 Canams now and a cage. But as you guys saw in previous videos, I obtained a row cage for my 4-seater. So this bad boy right here. And today is the day that I'm not gonna say we're gonna install it, but we're gonna attempt to install it because there's a lot that goes to installing a cage. And as you guys could see, ooh, what the fuck? Is that gel or water? Anyways, as you guys can see, I have the Canam pretty torn apart, you know? So there's a lot that goes to it, but we're gonna attempt to install it. And that's where it's, that's what we're gonna do today, all right? So with that, welcome everybody to today's video. Come join us and help us install this cage. Let's go. All right, so like I was saying, we're gonna attempt to install this cage. Chava and Joel are on their way to give me a hand, although I don't think Chava's gonna make it because le gusta andar güey de huevón así, just like that. But yesterday, well, for you guys, I don't know how many days it's been, but for me, yesterday, I actually started working on the Canam so that when it got time to try to install the cage, it was less work to be done. So this is not a how to install a cage, but I'm gonna guide you guys on what I've done. And maybe it can help one of you guys. Maybe it can't. Maybe you guys are just watching this for entertainment purposes. And that's exactly what this video is. Entertainment purposes only. Don't forget, hit that thumbs up. But, all right. So this is what I've done so far. I've obviously removed the shock reservoirs that go right here. I've removed my whip brackets that go right there. I've removed my speakers, my rear towers that go right here, and all that because all this is gonna come off. All right. Then the covers that go on here have been, excuse me, the covers that go right there have been removed. The covers that go here have also been removed. Same on that side. For this side gets a little bit tricky. You gotta pull the whole fender. Let me zoom this shit out. You gotta pull the whole fender out, and then this has to come off because Canam decided, hey, let's do the cage, let's do the bolts inside out. So these bolts right here have already been removed. It's 2 of them. These over here are just hand tight. Everything's loose. So we're pretty much good to go.
Hi, Daddy. I see you, Daddy. I could just look under the Canam and see your feet.
I'm hiding, fool. I'm over here hiding y este güey me echó de pinche adelanto. ¿Qué te da, no?
No, ahorita ya no.
Sí, huevón. The man, the myth, the legend. Huh? Are you hungover, buddy? You are? Damn. Drinking lemonade? Oh, I'm traumatized from lemonade. I don't know if you noticed, but I took a big chug of Don Julio yesterday with lemonade.
That's gross.
It was nasty. I hope you have the energy. Dude, we can't even get that one off. It's heavy. See how chopped it looks? Just leave it there. See how chopped it looks? We dropped it. Yeah. We're like, we can take it off. And then when Bowman gets here, we'll put the new one. That shit was heavy. So we just left that shit there.
Me and Brianna took up my cage off. You guys can take off yours.
Yours is a razor. Those shits are built with foil paper and glue stick. This is well built, all right? It's built in Mexico, so you know it's quality steel. Batman gave up because he's moving more than the Sawzall. How are you doing, dude? Come give us a demonstration. The Sawzall's supposed to go like this. The Sawzall was like this, and Batman's body was like... You thought the Sawzall was manual? How's your thumb? That's his new nickname, Andelos.
Tell him the name you wanted to give him yesterday?
Sparky?
Sparky?
Well, he tried only living up to that name, but wasn't happening.
I tried to take a picture of him because all the sparks were around him.
Oh.
And then he stopped.
And then he got his finger. And now he's Dedos. Ditos. All right, well, who's gonna do the honors of? Hey, you haven't hit the grinder.
I have.
No, you haven't. Stop it with the Zaza. Actually, you should hit the Zaza one time just so I can see you shake.
He starts shaking with the grinder.
Batman's like trying to cut it with your dick.
Batman starts spinning instead of the grinder.
How are you a master tech at Rudolph Mazda?
You don't know how to
Top tier tech, top paid, and you don't know how to turn a grinder, bro.
A few minutes later.
You know that's my pet peeve, peepers?
What?
You see me walking to your door. Do something. Tell me, go to the other side.
Oh, bitch, I was talking to Batman. I wasn't looking at you.
You wait till I get to the damn door to see your fucking face. Just look at me like
I didn't even look
other
at
side.
you.
Like Joe, I like to go the long way all the time. Oh.
I was just jinxing you.
Once upon a time, there lived a Canam. I feel like this thing's more orange every time I see it. Huh? Yeah, on that side, yeah. Not the other side. Yeah, they should take off that side too, huh? They should put a big ass 3F instead. I give more publicity and all I get is a little sticker on the windshield. A little tiny one.
Well, halfway, because you can't even see the...
Yeah. The wheels and the doors and the roof. At what point do you unlock my door, fool? You know. Oh, we got a vest right here. So when you're cutting, like, you know. Jeez. FIFA feels right at home in this cut. Alright. You wanna... Oh shit, that was a bike helmet, it's a welding helmet, huh?
Yeah.
Hey, you wanna stop by at that petrol, see if we get something to drink at least?
Yeah.
Like a beer?
I don't think Batman wants to see a beer in a while.
Let me stick my finger in that hole.
I'm gonna go a month without drinking.
I think Batman got high.
You're gonna go what?
Out there, right?
A month without drinking. Yeah, I do that fucking contact high. Yeah.
You're gonna go a month with no drinking?
Yeah.
It must be water or soda.
Subway.
Subway, eat fresh. God, geez, Batman.
Drink pretty fast. Huh? Drink pretty fast.
Batman's a little on the nervies.
He just hangs over and shit.
He's like, slow down, man. You're going a little bit too fast, man.
Hurry up, lady. What about him? Fucking hungry.
I want me some Subway, man. God. Is that a speed racer with a big wing right there? That's probably Batman's old crew. Team Legacy. Or what was your crew?
Yeah,
Your Legacy? Only the name you guys had is cool. Then you guys ruined the nice name.
Is that a super?
Is that a Supra? Oh no. It's a GT86. Let's not let Melissa see that because then she's gonna get inspiration of a wing. How do you get me out of here? First I can't come in, I can't go out. God, jeez, brother. You remember these? Yeah. Cachetadas? Let's buy one and slap you? Come on, man. Come on, man. What are you gonna get for short pap? You can't go wrong with the cold Pepsi, man. You cannot go wrong with the cold Pepsis. Ah, but they're not that even. And they're not even that cold. What's Batman doing?
Getting Subway.
You gonna get a Subway? I just asked for burritos. You don't even know what he's doing. What are you getting?
I wanted a hot dog.
Do you have no hot dogs?
Not ready.
All you need is the buns. I'll put the weenie.
I don't want to.
I'll be a little bit on the raw side, but we good, man. You can't go wrong with a nice cold mandu, man. Damn. They're not even that cold, though.
Yeah, soda sounds good, but then body armor sounds good too.
What are you gonna get, peepers? What do you want, Way? I'll buy you a drink. I should buy you a Band-Aid, but buy you a drink. Can't go wrong with the nice cold mandu, but
What are you getting?
they're not that cold.
Well, Randy's buying the drinks.
And yeah, I said Joel. Whoever is cutting.
We'll get this then.
All right, but you gotta put in work.
I did.
No, you gotta put in more work. Cause you're getting the big boy, dude. Not even getting a little 20 ounce. Damn, that's all big. This motherfucker's really hungover. I'm gonna give me the little babies. Everybody's gonna get the Mountain Dews? All right, FIFA. Don't fuck it up.
I thought I'd get the crunch.
No, get your big boy.
Get the big one.
Get the big boy. I'll feel less guilty when I have you cutting.
No, I'll get a small one.
What'd you get? Cold red? Ew. You got cold red too?
Wait, you don't like it?
Nah, cold red's like, it reminds me of big
Why
boy.
are you getting this? Chips. Chips
You getting salsa? I know getting salsa.
Big bag or a small?
Hey, food's ready. Let's roll.
Oh shit. I'm still gonna get my salsa.
No, leave your salsa, motherfucker. You don't need no salsa.
It's a snack.
You're gonna eat right now.
Come on.
Jeez.
Yeah. Yes, sir. Going down. 3-6 Mafia. Mafia. What the world been waiting on, man? It's going down. We gon' let you know how we make it come. Hey, Red Goose got me loose. Go no control. Money in my pocket and I'm all up in the zone line. Ooh, I'ma act a damn fool. Yeah. Ooh, I'm about to act a fool. Yeah. Goose got me loose. Go no control. Money in my pocket and I'm all up in the zone line. Ooh, I'ma act a damn fool. Yeah. Yes, sir. A new wrong tonight. I got my money looking right, but I ain't trying to fight. But if a sucker touch me, best believe it's on. Geek, crack, crush it, don't.
3 days later.
Well, while editing this video, I just realized that we never ended it. So, I don't know what happened. I think we were struggling putting on the cage, and then it got cold. It was cold, it was late. Everybody was hungry. Batman had to leave, FIFA had to leave. So I think we just ended up going inside and eating some tacos, and that's probably why I didn't end this video. But stay tuned for the next one, as I still yet haven't completely installed the cage. Like, it's on, but bolts are still missing. So we'll do that in the next video. So with that, we are out. Peace.